One of the biggest learning curves in my content creation career was learning how to make talking head videos. You're essentially learning to be a scriptwriter, a director, a producer, a production manager, on-screen talent, and an editor all at once. I'm going to reveal the top tips that I wish I knew before I got started so you know how to create better content right off the bat. Number one is you don't need a fancy camera. Set up your phone and use that. This video was filmed in cinematic mode on my iPhone 13 Pro. As you get better and learn more about equipment, you can always upgrade, but don't feel like you need to make a big investment in a camera in order to get started. After about 8 months, I decided to upgrade to the Sony ZV-E10. Number two is to spend some time learning about how to record your audio. If you already have a USB mic, you can record audio through your computer and sync it with the audio from your camera in post-production. I record the audio for these videos from my AT2020 USB Plus mic, which I'm using right now, using Adobe Audition, and I use the synchronize feature in Adobe Premiere during post-production. If you're filming with your phone, you can get a Bluetooth clip-on lapel mic. Number three is don't stress about your background. I spent so much time trying to set up a background that reflected me and my personality, but this is something that should be prioritized, but over time. It's more important to just get on camera and start practicing. You can experiment with new backgrounds and locations and props as you go, but the only way that you're going to get better is by practicing. If you want to learn how to set up a visually appealing background using the space that you already have, check out the video linked above. Number four is to use a teleprompter. You can get a budget-friendly teleprompter on Amazon, and if you're filming on your phone, you can use apps like CapCut for an on-screen teleprompter. Take your time to get comfortable with the technology and learn techniques for using it naturally. A teleprompter will take a while to get used to, but Steven has a great video on our channel about tips and tricks for using a teleprompter, which I've linked above. Number five is to invest in good lighting. Lighting can significantly impact the overall quality of your talking head videos. Natural light is often the most flattering and readily available option. Try positioning yourself near a window or in a well-lit area. If you need to film in low light conditions or at night, consider investing in affordable softbox lights to ensure that your face is well illuminated and the focus remains on you. I use this Mount Dog softbox light that I will link in the description of this video. To learn about the best lighting setup, check out the video linked above. Number six is to know that it will take you a while to learn. It gets frustrating, you mess up all the time, take deep breaths. If you're frustrated with yourself throughout the recording of the video, the audience will sense the tension while they're watching. You want to have fun with it. Loosen up, take deep breaths, take a break, and come back to it later if you need to. Do what you need to do to enjoy the learning and recording process. Your first videos probably won't be very good. Sorry, it's the truth. Remember that with every video you do, you will get better. To show yourself that you're improving, have an improvement tracking sheet. After every video, write down what you did well and what you would like to work on in the next video. This will give you something to look back on when you're feeling discouraged. Number seven is to connect with your audience by maintaining eye contact. When filming talking head videos, it's important to establish a connection with your viewers, instead of looking at yourself on the screen or getting distracted by other elements. Like, this feels weird, right? Make a conscious effort to look directly into the camera lens. Imagine speaking to a person behind the camera, as if you're having a genuine conversation with them. This mental image helps create a more personal and engaging connection with your viewers. Remember, your audience is on the other side of the lens, and by visualizing someone there, you can effectively deliver your message and establish a stronger rapport. Number eight is to plan and structure your content beforehand. Before hitting the record button, take some time to outline your key points or create a script for your video. This will help you to stay focused, avoid rambling, and deliver your message more effectively. Having a clear structure in mind will also make the editing process easier and ensure that your video flows smoothly from start to finish. Decide whether you would prefer a loose structure or a word-for-word script based on your comfort level and the nature of your content. Number nine is to pay attention to your body language and facial expressions. Nonverbal communication plays a significant role in engaging your audience and conveying your message effectively. Maintain a confident and open body posture, use hand gestures to emphasize key points, and show genuine enthusiasm with your facial expressions. Remember, your body language can help create a positive and engaging viewing experience for your audience. Practice in front of a mirror and observe and improve your body language. Number 10 is to practice speaking clearly and at a comfortable pace. Clear and articulate speech is crucial to ensuring that your audience understands and connects with your content. Take your time and enunciate your words, and speak at a pace that allows your audience to absorb the information you're sharing. Practice reading aloud or record yourself to identify areas for improvement in your speech delivery. To prep your jaw and your voice for recording, try doing some tongue twisters, like this. Peter Piper the pepper picker picked a peck of pickled peppers. A peck of pickled peppers did Peter Piper the pepper picker pick. If Peter Piper the pepper picker picked a peck of pickled peppers, where is the peck of pickled peppers that Peter Piper the pepper picker picked? Try that one. After you finish filming, it's important to watch your video back and do your initial edit while you're still in your recording environment. There's nothing worse than realizing that you've made a mistake after you've already taken down your equipment and have to set everything up again. Take the time to double check everything before you strike your set to make sure that you're happy with the final product before moving on to post-production. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you create talking head videos, the more comfortable and skilled you will become. Embrace the learning process, be open to constructive feedback, and continuously strive to improve your content. If you liked this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. And before you go, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you never miss another video from Riverside. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next one.